Dito na, dali na, dito na. Kape ninyo, kape. Taruh lah. Kopi lah. Napitan, napit.
Maglakad lang ako ha.
Saya magkahuan na ka. Dito sa ako. Inugaw na sukot kaw. Ay, kasukal na siya. Ay, masuk.
No, kasupula si...
Kamjiri juan. Ay, masuk ka. May atas ko. Ay, kutsi. Alay ko pa dito.
Sirok pa, bidyo ang punin.
Isa naman yung mag-idol kasi go.
Good morning. Today is December 27, 2008. It is the day of Thanksgiving for this year to our Father. And as our offering to Him, I have prepared a healing water in His honor. I want people to help through His healing power as God's healing. I want to help people, especially now. Tribulation has started. The day of the Lord has begun since 2005. So many sufferings. How to fulfill Mother's word is to trample economy around the world. To help more people, I have prepared a healing water. Not only to heal the sick, but also to help solve the problem through and bathing to soothe their physical weariness. Today, we are about to start the program in honor of our guests who are here. We are very few because Joseph said hindi kailangan ang maraming membro so that people will know what kind of mission we have. This water is near the house where Mother left the healing water in 1976. Okay, we cannot enter that house, so I built a new one, and it is already blessed on December 18. But in 1988, January 1, the Mother blessed all the waters around the Mindanao, mineral and salt water. to fulfill her words because I asked her to help me cure the sick, and I told mother that it's easy to cure sick people, but I want also to help other problems. So through the water they drink, of course they will pray first, and that's how I help people to come to my place. And Bangkal now is a holy land, holy place, because of what happened in 1975. Joseph offered his life. He laid his body now in the shrine, and that's why I'm continuing the mission so that those innocent people, especially the truth seekers, would find this place and they will be saved not only physically but spiritually.
Umaga po. Speechless. Nandito na naman tayo. Sorry. Nandito naman po tayo na nagkatipumpipon. Sana lalo na natin malapit na matapos ang ating year 2008. Andito tayo sa Thanksgiving natin. Tsaka sana sa 2009, ganito pa rin tayo, masaya, no? Kahit crisis, alam naman natin sa 2009, crisis na. Sa ayaw natin sa gusto, darating talaga yan. Pero tayo dito na kay Ama, magpasalamat tayo. Dahil kung may crisis sa kanila, sa atin wala. Kahit kunti na pagkain natin, pero makakain naman tayo sa oras-oras, diba? Di pa rin sa laing kuwan, sa laing lugar nga, kung hindi sila makaon. May na lang kita, masking mais, mas sustansya pa ang mais.
Mais, saging.
Ang saging, o. Kaya hindi naman tag-saging, pero labing. Sana sa susunod na taon, ganito pa rin tayo, buo pa rin tayo. Yun lang, at saka Happy New Year sa lahat, sa atin lahat.
Mali na siya. Kasi nakalisod ang panahon. Kita mag-iwan ng problema ng mga Uruguay. Pero sa ibang bansa, diba? Sa labi ng mga Black America.
At the sky, the wind in the winter, the pleasant summer sun, the red fruits in the garden, he made them everyone. He made them as seeds and gifts that we might them. How great is God our Father, who has made us his friend.
Mga-excellent ang mga bata dito sa Mission House. Kadagdagan na sila, mga honor student, na yung mga ribbon. Next, akan...
O bagyo po pagdamong na mag-aaral ko karon. Niniliga. Ang uban na siguro hayahay, pero dito sa amo, kay titano man, wala din hayahay. Pero sa panguhan ni Mother nga mura o gitagaan ko, tabang niya, mag-aaral ng napon, lagi pamagin nga makatulang kung nakita. Sa ako lang paminaw, akong naunaw ta, hindi na kumari diri kay nga naman, nga usahay, wala akong tayo mahimo anin. Pero sa panabang siguro ni Mother, wala hindi siguro mahimuan. Kining bias, tugan, bias to sila. Ang ako lang yung nauna, no, uwang siguro ko o pagkagad hindi kay layo, man ko. Ang ako lang katuyuan, husputan na ako ng kanan, gikan ni Mother 0123-0-6-4, o karon, ang akong feeling niya din kang Mother. Kitang tanan magkahiusa ta, ba? Alam ko mo makatagad, yung kong basa.
Karon nagkahiusa na po sa kay sa marunong kakuan, Thanksgiving din nato. Muli asuan, pili nato sa 2008. Mayong ta kung ato sa 2009, nalang gyapon. Wala gamay na lang doon. Kay magunsa man ang dagan, hindi man nakasabot kung uban. Mura bitaw sila kasama sa pagmandit ko bitaw. Kaya itong mga bata, itong panggaon, at imanong itong mayo. Okay. Tuloy sa Diyos pa, nanina na tayo mga nakapuyan.
Sunod-sunod kong party.
Bahala na kung ginagmay na ko itong mga okay. Ang grasya gihatag naman sa tuwa, okay kayo na. Eh, sa matag adlaw, magkaunta. Na may uban, di ba? Karon sa Kuano, sa Southern DC, luway kayo. Sige, dagi bagyo. Ang
The next year, we are aware that the coming year is going to be harder than the past year. My job as a writer is to read and to try to write something. And I've been reading that, and I can feel it that the world is sad. People are worried for their future. It's going to be hard also in our country, Philippines. But the message of my talk today is about our goal is to promote universal faith. Let me bring in another word related to universal faith. That means to say holistic. The meaning of holistic is complete. Now, as we review in our memory the religions that have been introduced to people, they all agree on one feature. That is to say that everybody has a soul. The body is not alone, but there's another component of existence that is the soul. And that is the holistic awareness. Remembers that the body and soul are existing together, and they are equally important. So our task in this missionary work, one of our tasks, of course, it is important that we continue our feeding program and that we keep on planting. And the third task that we have is to promote universal faith. One feature of universal faith is we never target against any other religion, because all the religions and all the teachings that have been given to mankind, they have all insisted that the body is not alone, but also consists of a soul and body. And as God the Father has reminded us before, we are unique human beings because we can choose whether to be bad or to be good. I just want to, in reviewing the past year, I have observed that when we got near November, that's the time our leader, Mama Sil, has introduced our feeding program. All over, I'm recalling January, the middle of January, when we started this project of construction. And now we can be happy. We can enjoy this new construction. So, in closing, I would just like to greet everybody and to be inspired by the commands of His Majesty. Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Tapos na ang saya ha, tapos na ang saya. Tayo sa buntag, ang una nag-tuktok sa kwarto si Angelo. Alam ni mother na wala ako sa sarili, kaya I was awakened by this coin. Tapos, without knowing, for the first time, Ariel gave me this. Ano yung bulat ito?
Jesus Joseph.
Ha?
Joseph.
Kay? Pilanes? Pilanes? Masa ni number? 5. Isa na nahatagan ni?
Si Angelo.
Isa na yan? Isa ni? Masang kulay?
Pink.
Pinkish. I have given 3 signs kasi Father knows I don't want to talk. Sabi ko, please Joseph, excuse me. But how many days passed? Di ba naglinog? I refuse. So naglinog. I still refuse. Then the argument became stronger. I became afraid. I was so afraid, so I said, you will be done. Ngayon, I have to do my duty. My duty now is to draw the lines. Lines, hindi lang isa. I have to do the lines. But before I will do it, let me present to you the new set of officers. Kasi sabi ko kay Joseph, is it not we don't have any more officers because of what you have told me? I have obeyed. Pero this is for record purposes, record. Nakikita ninyo, record for purposes. Sulat na sa set. Kasi karamihan, walang time. They cannot help me if I need them. Kaya ayaw ko lang sana my officers. This is not my choice. You don't choose them. 2009 officers are for the adults, this column, for the young, this column. Tapos, to make it complete. To fulfill man's feeling, it's my part. But number 1, to promote spiritual faith is Clarice's part. I cannot talk. It is not my assignment. My assignment is to feed the needy. To plant is your part as my co-workers. No more mission family in co-workers. Kasi yung mission family, di ba na-abolish, maraming nasaktan. Kaya I will say co-workers kasi I prefer willingness to help me, not obligingly. So I will read you need it para pass. Before I will read this one, let me distribute these pictures. First, to the dear writer of Joseph. Dear Lourdes, dear Bitang, salamat Lynn sa inyong pagkaa. Ito, Erlinda. Carlo and Adi. Carlo and Adi. Carlo and Adi. Carlo. Move on. Be at peace with yourself. Help the mission outside Bangkal by earning and bringing truth seekers to the feet of God. That's how likely. Rico and Jason, be good boys. Look at Angelo. His tongue is showing bad manners. Oh. Tapos na ha? Pictures. Kita mo naman ang pictures. Handa na? Sam would be happy. Sam would go out. Pero, ako'y mahimo sa oman. I have to do my job. The year, di ba sa October message, di ba? Nakabalo mo sa October message. The year 2000, no more excuse because under the work of my mama said, not mine ha, not mine. Kaya sa nagpadala, kasi nahatag yung say karon. Saan nagtuulang? Nagpunan ng buo, nagtuulang niya, alright. This is up for them. They must be looked up to as models in this new era. Your life now must be devoted more to God's will. Ang gusto ni Joseph, ang pagbut sa Ginoong matuman, pero sa akong kabahin, lisod, sa akong kabahin. Kuyo, kamo. You are fortunate to live in this new era, where a greater comprehension of the divine is possible. Kayo maswerte kay naamo di sa Bangkal Mission, ang minasabtan bayan sa iyahang pag-ari nga mother, 0122. That's 4, and nasa kasama. Sino? Parang sa kasama niya? Oh. Ha? Sino kasama niya yung mother? This is our center of attention this coming year, 2009. Whether you know or don't, the planet Earth has begun its take-off. Nausap na yun ang kalibutan. Sino nagpapanood ng TV news? Nag-usap na yun ang dagan sa panahulutan, pati ang klima, iba na klima, ang ekonomiya, iba na. Ngayon, it's used to my work. Sa 2009, malaki ang pagbabago. This world will now is now going back to the basics. Kaya sabi dito sa objectives, universal faith, unti-unti maalis ang religion. That's why Sari has to teach how we will go on and on. Until they will know about the awareness. To fulfill nativity is my part. Mama ko, mga Philippines, particularly Mindanao, what province? Davao City. Particularly in what city? Davao City. Bangkal. Sa Davao City is Bangkal. You as mga school workers, kamo na agiri, no? Kamo na agiri. Must cooperate. Kung wala man tawag yung pangalan, dili sa inyo nga nalubog na mo. Bangon! Diba? Kaya ang nasa listahan diri, kung maglangan-langan sila, di sila magkinarong, ilisan man. Nasabdan ninyo, wala ko na apel sa pangalan, wala na mismo pangalan, dili mo mag-lupay-pay. Imuha nga challenge sa kanyang pagdalingon. Kung ano naman ang kinabuhi. Usahay, magpugita, usahay, magtinakulang ka. Pero kung gamitin mo sa Ginoo, dito natulog mo, hindi mo patulugon. Kisa naka-experience lang ako. Kung gamitin mo sa Ginoo, isa gusto mo matulog, kagaya sa akin. How many nights I cannot really sleep? Because I don't want to talk. Paglinom, kung ano ko'y mahimo. Kaya sabi ni Mother, ni Joseph, ano Mother pala yun? Ang tagline ni Joseph ay lindol at saka tidal way. Ang tagline daw ni Ama, ulog at kidlat. Ang taglay daw ng ina, baha, kasi kung iyak man ang mama. Share what you can do to make Bangka Mission come alive. I am with Mama Hills Mission Work. Sino nagkasulti dali? Kasi narinig mo nga, dili ako. This millions, you cannot do it alone. I need someone I can rely to face the truth seekers. For I have taken back my foster mother. Ano sa mga foster mother? Ano sa mga foster mother? Bisaya ng foster mother.
Singkod as a mama niya.
Nagbarog na mama. Pero dili po mama niya. Ang iyang mama tinuod sa physical, Virgin Mary. Sa physical, sa unang generation. Ako, foster mother, not that not. Ikaw, ano. Ayun na yung paglibog. Basta diretso lang mo ni Ama. I don't want to I let the people suffer instead to make them understand there is really God. Alfredo Paraiso, asa si Boy, has to attend Friday gathering. Kaya niyo mo si Boy?
Every Friday daw. Every Friday, makita.
Due to feeding program, he has to be actively participate. Para sa una dito, nga Biyernes, para yung gathering, show up to update mission work. Matilda has to continue her livelihood outside mission work to help generate funds. Doon dito ha, ano yung mando ni Joseph mission work para tabangan kanya. Attend Friday gathering and occasions, not daily. Kung saan nasulit sa una, pinamagtuhol, pinausahon, as is daw. Wilmer has to distance himself from mission activities. Where is my Wilmer? That is your fault. Actually last night, anytime. Wilmer has to distance himself from mission activities. He prefers to be stay out student than stay in the missionary. Mas gusto niya, sigawa, kasama, sa mission house. Not mission house, mission work. Let him stay in the bunk house beside mother's room. Wala akong pakialam, ang gawin na doon, pagkainitan sa mission house, kain, eskwela, no library, no school.